Here's your how-to guide to CCB Church. So we go Grace City Portland .ccbchurch.com. Save it in your phone. It takes you to the login page. You should have an account already. I can send you an activation link if you haven't already got one set up. Keep me logged in for 30 days. Handy. Sign in. Then you can click here or here. This Serve tab on the left-hand side is the most convenient. Also, you can create a profile for yourself up here. It's pretty fun. There's lots of fun features you can explore. But this Serve tab is how we will interface. So, it should take you to My Schedule. These are dates you have accepted to serve. And here under the Request tab, these are dates where maybe I scheduled you and you haven't accepted or declined yet. Do that. So it's helpful for me if you accept or decline right away. Let's say accept on April 8th. Let's say I'm busy on April 15th. Give me a reason. You don't have to, but it's fun to know what you're doing. And voila. So April 8th popped up because I accepted it. April 15th went away because I declined it. And say you can't serve on a date that you accepted, email me right here. Boom. Let me know what's up. Then, also in scheduling, let's look at this tab right here, ability to serve. Say you know that you are going to be out of town all of April. Well, then why even, well, I accepted the 8th. I'm out of town every day but the 8th. So let's say we are going to block out those dates, so then I won't be able to schedule you at all those dates. It's a really handy feature for you and for me. Don't have to do it, but it's helpful and it's there. So also say that you don't like being with the younger kids, those darn little younger kids. Just say, I don't like being a younger kid teacher. Or, whatever you need to communicate, you're welcome to. You can say, I'm not available to serve in this position. That's fine. We just like to know. So, save your preferences and your blockout dates. Lastly, the most and they pop up here, which is cool. And I think you can do all of this from your phone. When I send you those text messages or emails with the links, it should take you to this request page, like I said. And I think you can do it all from your phone. So it's good to look at the lesson plan ahead of time, and they are all uploaded here. Schedule details. It takes you to the schedule for that week or the schedule for the following week. Anyways, you can see who's serving with you, and you can email them all if you wanted to. If you wanted to email everybody you're serving with and let them know if something was happening, you could do that there. Here is where the files are attached. I know it's small, but it's there, and so just know that it's there. This is the evacuation plan. It's on every week. It's attached to every week, so you can see it and access it if you need to. It's good to know how to exit in case of emergency. Little kids room, big kids room, nursery. Good information to have. Here's the lesson plan. We're going through the Jesus Storybook Bible, and it has a great, straightforward setup. Here's the title in the Jesus Book Bible. Here is where you can find it in your own Bible. Recap of last week. Activity to go with this week. If these materials are easy to prepare the morning of, we might have you do it, but if it's anything more complicated than writing words on paper, we'll have it prepared ahead of time for you. Here is a good mini devotional that you should read ahead of time, and it's just a nice big picture of what's happening in this story. After the story, another game, interactive, conclusion, looking at how we can see Jesus in this story. We take a time for prayer. We take a time to learn a memory verse from home. These are the approximate time limits that it should take. And if there's time at the end, the kids can work on this activity page or just take it home. It has the memory verse. And that is that for each week. We'll be here. You can download it, access it on your phone, save it into your iBooks if you have an iPhone. You can do that. And that's it. So to recap, you signed in to KidCityPortland.ccbchurch.com, clicked on this tab over here. It took you to this screen where you could see where you've been scheduled or any requests you have. Here's where you could block out your dates. And here is where you access the lesson plan. Schedule details right here in the corner. View files. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for serving.